Just made over to Kevin's. I will be doing some polishing today. He has a 1970 Dart. He just picked up a 30-year restoration, and yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do some paint correction and quickly go over the car with you guys. Stay tuned. Yeah, so over at this over at Kevin's place, looking at the 1970 Dart. It's absolutely gorgeous. And let's see if we can flip this baby around here. Quickly before the video started there, we're kind of going over how original this car is. Even has the original Mopar windshield in it. And Kevin was telling me that it is a original factory tint car, right? So usually they have them in air-conditioned cars, but not this one. This one here was the option was checked, and it's pretty cool. 4 owners, right, Kevin? 4?
Yeah, 4 before me.
4 before you. Sweet.
It was built for USA, so it spent most of its life down in the States.
Okay, and then this one here, you're doing some work on it a little bit here, tinkering with the shifter, so 4-speed car. Yeah, it's buckets.
Original bucket seat car.
Nice. So the only thing not original on it, it came factory with a 3-speed, but now it has a
4-speed.
a four gear in it. Nice.
Yeah, you betcha.
Man, the dash is just perfect, eh?
Yeah, it wasn't an overly restored car. They wanted to kind of keep it as correct and original as possible. And all original interior still.
Man, this thing is...
Feel the sorts here, man. I just feel like...
Oh, that's okay. I just... So the nice thing about it is they get the old keystones on it.
Yeah, they're, I guess, a type of Krieger.
Yeah, they're what, 14?
14s, and then I have a full set of original rally wheels with the brand new biased by E70 14-inch. So thinking about putting those back on.
These are you though. Like you got into the Kriegers or the Keystones, but yeah, these are awesome, right?
Yeah.
Man. So original States car, that's awesome.
All original steel in the car, no patches.
Wow.
It's basically one repaint back in about 95, according to the records, and then it kind of went through a bunch of different Mopar shows in the States in kind of the late 90s after it was painted.
So like just right after it was painted, and it kind of went off the charts. It kind of went hidden.
Yeah,
pretty well, right?
The cool thing with the car was it's got all the original paperwork, the window sticker when it was bought off the lot, the original bill of sale, all the owner's registrations.
Wow.
Prior to me owning it.
Yeah, just a couple of minor flaws on it, and that's it. This thing's been awesome.
Yeah, it was a hood pin car, factory in-dash tachometer.
Wow.
So it was all ordered that way, and
so whoever's ordering knew what they wanted.
yeah.
Nice. Wow. Yeah, I love the detail of the original windshield where you got the gasket stuff coming through, right? You can sure tell.
Yeah.
Unlike an Alberta Canadian car, there's no sandblasting on the windshield.
No.
Usually our cars here are just terrible, right?
Yeah.
It's we have paved roads, but they're all seem to be gravel all most of the year. By the time they clean them, it's back to wintertime again.
Yeah. Start over.
I know, right? Oh man, this thing is gorgeous. Yeah, a lot nicer than when you first showed me. I'm gonna pop the hood there too.
Let's look at the trunk, not much to
Oh,
see
man.
there yet, but the original jack, spare tire. Everything functions on the car, which kind of blows me away. Fuel gauge, all the gauges in the dash, all the lights.
Wow. That's so cool, having it all original like that. it's not quite a survivor as far as original paint and everything else, but man, she's pretty damn close.
Yeah, they didn't paint the engine bay. They basically just upped kind of the jams, and they kind of kept the rest of it original paint. But
Wow. So that's pretty cool. Got some headers. Yeah. So it's numbers matching engine, but the guy got it built up a little bit.
yeah, it was recently at about 47,000 original miles.
Wow.
Wow. The head gasket went in it, so give them a reason to pull it out for the first time, and they poured it over 20,000 and kind of redid the heads. And
so the engine bay, all the paint's original.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Yeah,
And then they put a few speed parts on it. They put an air gap intake and a Holly carburetor.
Yeah.
Cheap go fast goodies.
Nice.
But yeah, runs really well.
Perfect. Well, thanks, Kev. I'll get to this. Figure out this paint correction here. Is a little bit of a couple little scratches right in here, and we're gonna fix that up here. All right. Thanks, Kev.
No problem.
I get dirty thoughts about you.